Hehe, Mandleking production. Hey, mamong shaya ding dong, mamong shaya ding dong, mamong shaya ding dong. Hey. Ilo shuto phumeka sozama ukupushika si rap mama ngizokuphatha kahle love is blind mara mina ngibona wena phela ay zokuphathisa kweqanda ay be my queen, I'll be your king. I mama only for when I do. Love is blind, marang bona when I pela. I Mandleking production. Ilo shuto phumeka sozama ukupushika si rap. Haha. I Mandleking. Short division. You are angel and angel sent by God in Galo singing I'm a pico mama. When they think of what a beautiful girl should be it too, I first think of you. Will never fully understand how deeply my heart feels for you. I love you mama. If you ever need someone, stop crying around, call my phone, I'll be there. Mama shaya ding dong, mama you the one I love ya. You are promise, I promise I will die for you. I'm telling the truth, I never lie. You bring me to the climax without meeting you. You do it with a sweet voice. You are my heart and human for a friend I could never ever replace. Yeah, mama, you are so special to my heart. No matter how far you are, no matter you are halfway across the world, you would always have a special place in my heart. Mamong shaya ding dong, mamong shaya ding dong. You the one I love, mama. No one can ever take your place in my heart. Yeah, you have the power of love that no one can defeat. Utobile wenza iking itobile when you make me feel all load up. Be my queen, I'll be your king. Together we will be the palace. After we will have a princess and a prince. Yeah, hey, without you I feel like I'm dead. Yeah, hey, in my heart you are my beat, in my mind you are my thought, in my life you are the reason I am telling the truth. Mama never lie. Hey, my love for you is true. Hey, you will never fully understand. You are my heaven on earth. My home, my place of peace. The one and only auto bisa iking. Ithi ngishaye ngesizulu mama uzozwa kahle. Hey mama hilo shoto phumekasi mama lo shoto mshaya ding dong umenze afile oloda mama uyingi lo sengana maphiko. Hey mama ya maunya tshela mama theko umhlabu uphuzela uboya ebusweni mama ushaya ding dong buhle bakho khanya chithila ngadali. Ya mama buhle bakho shine udlula ijewelry. Ungafunga mama uthi uyihlabathi zolwandle mama. Mama bamba isandla sami sibangene kasi mama ngizophatha kahle. Mama noma ngiza ngakuwe bayangigwaji kasi lakho mama. Mama kodwa hayi ungawari mina ngithi mama only for when I do you and I mama. Asambe mama siyoshaya picnic vele mama isama.